Hey, behind the scene, we created a post table as well. This is the column we gave: ID, title, slug, body, thumbnail, is published or not, and created it. The same way we created the users. This is our table, post, and users. So let's move the code some other way. What we are doing here, we are connecting our database. So we can make a folder called database, and we can make a class called, what are you doing it, connecting the database, so we can call it connection. This is our connection class, and we can make a method called make maybe. We can make the method static. Then we can move our code from here to here. Then we have to include the connection file here, so we can require the file, and we have to return the connection. Then we have to call the class and make method. So from the connection we are getting the PDO instance, so we can call it this way. If everything goes well, then we won't see any error, so everything goes well. Then let's move these queries. So what we can call it, we can call it maybe query builder, or we can call it migrations like the Laravel. So let's create a folder called migrations, and what this query doing, it is creating a users, so we can create a class called user. We can make little bit different. Okay, no problem, create user, and we can call the function is create user table. Let's make a method bar function, we can make it static as well. And we can import the table by importing the migration file. Then we can call it this way. Let's move the code there. Let's return it. As well, let's move this prepare and execute from here to the table. We can say try this query. If not any error, then execute it, and if you find any error, then throw a message. So to do the task, we need a PDO instance. Let's pass the PDO. We can accept the PDO here. Okay, let's remove the user table and let's see if the table is created or not. We have only post table, and let's reload our. So we have failed. So required database this file is not getting create user. Oh, we have another folder called migrations. Let's reload again and let's see if our table is created or not. Yeah, you see our table already created.